Welcome to our first grade Literacy Night reading video. Brought to you by Ms. Hendricks, Ms. Fields, Ms. Clark, and Ms. Heston. Good readers ask questions before reading. Take a picture walk. What are you wondering about? Reading Spiders by Laura Marsh. Before we start reading Spiders, let's look at the picture. Are there any questions you might have about this picture? Let's take a picture walk through this book and see what questions you might have.
Hey kiddos, this week we're going to be learning all about spiders. So here's our spider book by Laura Marsh. Here's our table of contents. It lets us know what's going on each page. We see these in lots of nonfiction books. It's a spider. What has 8 legs, fangs, and hair all over? Is it a monster? No, it's a spider. Some of us are afraid of creepy crawly spiders, but most spiders can't hurt people.
There are spiders everywhere. Spiders live in deserts and rainforests. They live on mountains and plains. They live on beaches and in caves. Spiders live almost anywhere. A spider's body. Spiders can be big or small. They can be brown or black. Some spiders are orange, red, green, or yellow. They may come in different colors, but all spiders have 8 legs, and they all have 2 main body parts, a head and an abdomen. Spider food. All spiders are meat eaters. Most spiders eat insects. Some spiders eat bigger animals like fish, snakes, lizards, or frogs. Sometimes spiders even eat each other. Spiders have fangs that hold venom. Venom kills the prey or keeps it from moving. But spiders don't have teeth to chew their food. They suck the liquids out of their prey. Yummy. And then our 2 words down here are venom, which is poison, and prey is an animal that is eaten by other animals. Senses. Most spiders have 8 eyes, but they can't see very well, so they need more than their eyes to catch dinner. Small hairs on a spider's leg sense movement. A spider feels an insect caught in its web. It's dinner time. Web builders.
Okay, I just want to take a break right here for a minute and talk about during reading. While you're reading, in the middle of your reading, you could stop and write down your questions when you want to know more about something, when you wonder about something, when you want to know why something happened. Take a minute. Stop and write down your questions. Then you can keep reading.
Different spiders make different webs. Orb webs have a circle pattern. Funnel webs are built like tubes. So here's your funnel web. Tangle webs, also known as cobwebs, are a jumble of threads. Here's a tangle web, known as a cobweb. And the last, trapdoor spider webs cover a spider's home in the ground.
Spinning silk. Not all spiders make webs, but all spiders make silk. They wrap their eggs in silk. They wrap their prey in silk too. Spiders even travel by silk. They use it like a rope. Spiders climb down to different places, or they let the wind carry them. Super spiders. Check out these really cool spiders from all over the world. The strangest spider is the bow laugh spider. It catches its prey with sticky thread as if fishing. The biggest is the Goliath bird-eater tarantula. It's so big it can eat young birds. It lives in South America. The most famous is the black widow. It is the most poisonous spider in North America. It sometimes eats its mate. The deadliest is the Brazilian wandering spider. It shows its red jaws when it's angry. It lives in South and Central America. The best leaper is the jumping spider. It stalks its prey. It leaps huge distances to pounce on its lunch. The best weaver goes to Darwin's bark spider. It makes the world's largest webs, as big as 2 city buses. The best mother goes to the wolf spider. She's a fierce predator, but a careful mother. She carries her babies on her back. Baby spiders. Big or small, all spiders start out as eggs. A mother spider protects her eggs in an egg sac. She may keep the egg sac safe on a web, under a leaf, or in a log. She may carry her egg sac with her too.
Egg sac, a silk pouch that protects and holds spider eggs. The spider eggs hatch. Baby spiders crawl out to meet the world. They are called spiderlings. Helpful spiders. Spiders are helpful to have around. Their silk is super strong. It's light and stretchy. People are finding new ways to use spider silk. Spiders also eat biting bugs, such as mosquitoes. And this is a fabric made from spider silk. Let's hear it for spiders. Hooray! And then this is just showing some close-up views of different things connected to spiders. We have the web.
These pictures show close-up views of spidery things. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. This is a usual spider hangout. Oh, it's hard to see. What do you think this is a picture of? That's right. If you said web, that's correct. Number 2, here's a hint. If you had 8 of these, you could do many things at once. What is that a picture of? Yep, if you said legs, you're right. Those are spider legs. All right, here's a hint. More of these don't help spiders. Our two work better. What are these? That's right, eyes. Number 4, spiders don't drink milk, but they make something that rhymes with it. So what rhymes with milk that a spider will make right here in this picture? That's right. If you said silk, you're right. All right. Rockabye baby, spiders' eggs are kept safe in this. What is this called? If you said egg sac, you were right. Oh, ouch. These give a nasty bite. Let's see. Sorry, I feel like I'm backwards. What is this a picture of? All right, if you said fangs, you were correct. Now here's the glossary on the very last page. Sorry, I can't line this up. Okay. So right here, an egg sac. It's a silk pouch that protects and holds spider eggs. A fang is a biting mouth part of a spider or a large sharp tooth in other animals. Prey, an animal that is eaten by other animals, and venom, which is a poison. All right, I hope you...
After reading, did you answer any of your questions? What are you still wondering about? What would you like to ask the author? After reading this book, we made some spiders. The kids had a lot of fun making spiders and asking and answering their questions. I hope this video was helpful. Have a nice night. Thank you for joining us.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that book. It was yucky, but we learned a lot.